Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT for free. So, first of all, you need to go to your Google browser, then go for the search bar and search for ChatGPT, which is chat.openai.com. Then go for this website, and you can see a page like this. So, if you don't have an account on this ChatGPT website, then you have to first sign up for an account. Or if you have already an account, then you can go for login, and after that you can log in with the Google or your Apple or Microsoft account. I'm going to with the Google account. You can also go for an email account. Okay. Then after that, when you are logged in, then you can see a page like this. Then you can use it for free on this GPT-5 version, 3.5 version. So, but in this GPT-4 version, you can't use it for free. If you wanna use it for free, first of all, you need to uh, upgrade for ChatGPT Plus or full version. You need to subscribe for it. If you go for in this, and you can see you have to subscribe for it with the 20 USD dollar. So today I'm going to show you how to use this GPT-4 version for free. So you can also use it for free. Just you have to go for your Play Store. Play Store. Okay. Then you have to search for your ChatGPT, and you can see this app here. Here, you have to install it. You have to install it and go for open. And you can see I have installed before, that's why it's open. So if I go for any question, then it can answer you uh, with that. So this is the version of ChatGPT with the app. You can use it locally, or otherwise you can install it, which is being this is the version, another version of ChatGPT. You can also install it, and after that you can go for chat, and you can see this is the GPT-4 version. So you can use this GPT-4 version here with free. So that's it. This is how you can use ChatGPT for free. Hope this video helped you. If you did, then please like, comment, and share. Subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.